Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious quesadillas in your air fryer. First, gather all your ingredients like tortillas, cheese, and any fillings you love. Next, prepare your fillings. This could be cooked chicken, seasoned ground beef, or sautéed veggies. Finally, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your quesadillas cook evenly and get perfectly crispy. Now let's assemble. Lightly spray one side of a tortilla with cooking oil or brush it with a little melted butter. Place the tortilla, oil side down, directly into your air fryer basket. Then, add a generous layer of cheese and your delicious fillings onto one half of the tortilla. Don't overfill, as this can make it harder to fold and cook properly.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. And on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for storing any leftover quesadilla fillings or even your finished quesadillas. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled half, creating a perfect crescent shape. Gently press down to seal the edges. Lightly spray the top of your folded quesadilla with a little more oil. Now, air fry it for about 5 to 7 minutes, making sure to flip it halfway through. You're looking for that beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture. Once cooked, carefully remove your hot quesadilla from the air fryer. It will be very warm, so let it cool for just about 1 minute before you slice it into perfect wedges. Now for the best part, serving. Enjoy your crispy air fryer quesadilla with your favorite toppings. Think fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of cool sour cream. Delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.